Thank you for tuning into my channel where you find all about art journals, mixed media, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. Hi, my name is Grob and I'm glad you are here. Hey all, welcome back to page number 6 I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. I decided to leave it as it is. I like the way it is, so I don't gonna cut back this part, but I'm gonna make this one again lower. I do have a winter scenery this time and I'm only gonna use the upper part, and I did find that's actually a children's magazine, an owl, which I want to use. And I do want some sky also. Do I want sky? No, I don't want a sky because I'm gonna cut along, somewhat along. And again, I'm lucky the page is wide enough so that I don't have to add on the sides. And again, I'm gonna use the gel mat to glue it down. Okay, I do have a problem with my camera again. I did start with some zinc white and did add like snow to the area, and I'm gonna cover up the people here. There are the heads from some people here, so they have to go. And especially around the owl I want snow, so she doesn't blend in so much with the, no, that was a little bit too much. So she doesn't blend in so much with the background. That's what I wanted to say. I also do have a crackle, and I also do have somewhere over here the interference blue, which gives the shimmer, so I want to imitate the glistening, which probably won't be catched up by the video, but hopefully with the photo at the end of the video. So I'm gonna quick heat set that and then I will be back. Okay, it is dry. I'm gonna clean off my brush and I'm gonna go in with some interference blue if I can open it up. Okay, here we go. There's something hard to open. So it looks sort of like of grayish, but it has a shimmer. I'm not sure if the camera really picks it up, but in real life and everywhere where I have snow, I'm just gonna stipple it. Also there where I have painted the snow. I try to catch the glimmer and shimmer that it gives. Now I'm gonna try it with the crackle. I hope I don't ruin it. I'm not gonna put it up in the trees, I think. I'm gonna use the heat tool to speed up the process. Now I think I'm gonna go in again with the iridescent, because the crackle is white matte. So let's see, that was a little bit too much. I'm gonna introduce the shimmer again, but I do have the crackle, and you're probably only gonna see it when it is as a photo. It's probably kind of hard to see for you. The owl, for my taste, is still a little bit too much into the background, so I'm quick gonna sharpen my Stabilo oil, and I'm gonna go along both think I need that no longer. The owl, and then I'm gonna activate it with the water tank. I do have Stabilo white. Let's see if I can give a little bit light here on the back side. Okay. There's something I don't like here, and that's a little bit of green. I think that should be white. So I still have my paint here, and I'm actually gonna mix the zinc white with the iridescent. I really think it needs a little bit white here. Here we go. Makes more sense. Now, I didn't do a very good job. It's a little bit too edgy for me. I want more rounded, soft forms. So I'm gonna take my time this time and make more rounded edges. Yeah, much better. And the same here. More rounded, please. Okay. And I think I'm gonna go along the edge here with the black marker. Means I have to do something here. Okay. It is shimmery. Can you see it? How it shifts the color. So that is today's project in my altered birdie book. There's only one page to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again. Take care.